Latest research and development. 1. The next superfood. Scientists reveal remarkable health benefits of kimchi. Research shows that eating fermented kimchi can help improve fasting glucose, lower triglycerides, and reduce high blood pressure. 2. Scientists uncover overlooked contributor to dementia. A new model of vascular dementia reveals hidden disease processes and raises urgent questions about the role of microplastics in brain health. 3. If your neck is over 17 inches, your heart could be in trouble. Neck circumference signals risks for heart and metabolic disease. Even normal BMI doesn't eliminate these risks. 4. Hidden plant stem cells could hold the key to feeding the future. Plant scientists discovered hidden stem cell regulators tied to growth and crop size. Their breakthrough could transform how we grow food, fuel, and resilient harvests. 5. Study finds common meds leave lasting imprints on the gut, even years after you stop taking them. Medications used many years earlier can still influence the human gut microbiome, according to a large-scale study conducted by the University of Tartu Institute of Genomics. 6. Brain cells behind depression identified for the first time. Research on rare post-mortem brain tissue shows changes in gene activity, offering new insight into the biological basis of depression. 7. Common nutrient found to supercharge immune cells against cancer. Researchers found that zeaxanthin, long associated with eye health, may also boost the body's immune response against cancer. 8. Scientists discover 2 new bass species hiding in plain sight. Bartrams and Altamaha bass, first identified in the 1980s, are now officially recognized as distinct species. 9. New study shatters long-standing myths about primate origins. Primates originated in cold environments, not the tropics. Their past adaptations reveal insights for conservation today. 10. Scientists discover new, ghost, species of marsupial, closely related to the kangaroo. Scientists have discovered a new species of marsupial in Australia's bushland, closely related to the kangaroo. AI News. 11. Public trust deficit is a major hurdle for AI growth. 12. TechX Europe 2025, Practical Learnings for AI Leaders. 13. AI Patent Volume, 500 firm audit finds Samsung ahead of Alphabet. Thanks for watching this video.